before they deactivate you. Yes, I think they would. And hurry up. They'll be needing this transport any moment now. No, I don't feel sorry for you at all.
Is mandatory, as Ugnaughts and others of short stature will not be able to operate regulation equipment.
Might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Hit your flashing button. Only one engineer. I'll do what I can. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly out. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that plane. Fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
It didn't do too bad. Only 800 worth of collisions.
The dining room proudly presents your dinner.
Is everyone assembled? Good. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 Numb and I shall personally see them delivered. Lieutenant Beck, as you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep it tight now.
Enemies of the First Order, we will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay.
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners.
Detention block breach. Prisoners not seen on that team.
There they are. Fire! No, not up! I said down!
Stop! The prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless.
There's nowhere to run.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship.
You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Your escape routes came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Folks, want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there.
Oh, me?
Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
I mean, I think I could do that very
Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Oh. Now, let's